Hello and welcome to our Wudang Academy. Today I want to show you around what is happening in our school. For the several weeks before, I posted a video that we are still renovating. We are still renovating, but a lot of things changed, and I want to show you around what is happening in our school. Okay, so come with me. So first of all, what you can see changed mostly is this cupboard-like structure. We painted it in traditional colors. We want this in a reddish-brown color. And we are still making the doors of this cupboard. It probably will hide most of the cables, so it will look very clean. The cables go over the floor, which are hidden now also. There was a lot of work into it, and we also have a new flat screen, which is for looking when people stay around the corner, so people can still look at the flat screen, and also for streaming to you our content. So this is what this flat screen is for, okay? And as you can see here, we still have this light solution around here. We are just preparing cables, because the other side we already have the lights for the hall. So with this one, when we add the lights to this side, the hall will be a much brighter experience, and because most of our classes are in the evening, this lighting will help us a lot in our training, and the hall will make much more friendly. So we are happy when the lights are installed. I don't know how long yet, maybe several weeks, then there will be also the lights, and also the cupboard will have the same lights, so we will enlighten the hall much more than before, okay? One very tiring challenge was this floor. You can see it around here. Here we have these floor tiles, you know. We have 160 square meters in our hall, and these are our floor tiles. We had to carry them through this door step, yes. Overall, they don't look much, but they have like 1.5 tons overall weight. So we had to run several times, and one person can only take one package, yes. So we stack them over here, and in the next week we will make the ground. So this will be very interesting, okay? And as you can see, this small guy over here is our field player. This is basically a Zoom Field Player 1 and adjusted with a capsule mic. So this is specialized for ambient sound. This is what you're hearing when our students do the kicks and all the things. You still hear the effect when they hit the ground, and all this heavy ambient noise. This is gonna be picked up by this microphone, okay? So this is a small part, but I think it will add a lot to our online classes, and you can hear how they're breathing. You hear the kicking noise, sabers, what, and everything. So I think this one is pretty important, but I'm still looking for a way to adjust a second audio channel for streaming. Right now it is a bit hard to do. I will check it out, but in our online classes you will definitely hear this one, okay? From our students, we also received this piece of art. This is handcrafted by himself, an oak sit bank, so you can sit on it, yes, and it's hardwood, is 100% oak, yes. Simply colored it with the yin-yang symbol, so I think this makes a great addition to the hall. We are very thankful for him to do this, yes. And it basically stands in the center of the hall, so you can see it right when you're practicing, and also from this spot you can see every student exercising. So right now we are at the female changing room. You see we have a lot new things adjusted, if you remember it from the last time, yes. We also have something to wash your hands, as you can see here. You can basically, give me a second, adjust the camera, yes. So basically now you can start washing your hands here. I think that's pretty good. And also here we have this bank, so people can sit, change their clothes, wash their hands, yes, and look at themselves. So this is our pretty neat female changing room. The male one we still have to work on, okay, so yeah. And of course we also fixed the toilet. Everything works now, it looks pretty clean. Thanks to Bernhard, he fixed the toilet and the flush, of course, yes. So this looks very nice. This is the specific toilet for the females here. So yes, this is it. So all these things changed compared to our last video several weeks ago. I hope you liked it. That's pretty much everything changed. I think we're going forward very fast. A lot of things changing now. So in next week or so, we have the new ground. I will show you when we have this. So everyone is welcome to join our school. We are located in Austria, in Vienna. We are pretty much at the center of town. So it's very beautiful. You can take a look. Vienna is a very old town. And we are practicing, of course, traditional Wudang martial arts here. So we have a lot of questions and mails from foreign people, from other countries who would like to participate in our class. This is not a problem, yes? You just have to think how you want to participate in class. Basically, you can have private classes in our school. You can join the group training, which is always included when you take the private classes, or you can join an educational program which follows through the whole year. You so basically are required to come 1 or every 2 months. There's also a thing like you can take private classes in our school, yes, several set of hours, yes. If you are not sure, of course, I always recommend that you check out our school before you decide finally for an educational program, you know, because once you are in this educational program, you pretty much cannot change it or so, you know. There's a lot of effort coming from our school to make sure you learn this content. So I recommend the version when you are really from a remote region or from other foreign country. You can basically take some private classes, yes, and then you can see if this is for you or not, yes. This is basically, I think, the most safest way, and later on we can include this type of private classes if they were covering specific content of the educational program. Of course, we don't have to cover it twice if you already know the information, you already know the content, and you can already do it, you know. So we will account your taken private classes and account your skill, of course. So I think this pretty much covers all these questions of our private classes, group sessions, and educational content. If I miss something, write it in the comment section below. I will probably cover it for you in the next video too, if you're interested in this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, yes? Leave me feedback below. Thank you, and see you soon. Goodbye.